In this video, we're going to look at what's called a piecewise function, and I'm going to show you how to evaluate it. So say we have a function, f of x, equal to, and it's defined in pieces, hence the name piecewise function. Say we have 3x plus 2, and this will be true if x is less than 1. Then here we'll have x squared. And this will be true if x is greater than or equal to 1. So how do we evaluate this function? What does that mean? So basically we'll plug in numbers. So let's try plugging in -2. So there's two pieces to this function, right? So we have to pick the correct piece. So this is our x right here. X is -2. So these conditions here tell us which piece to use. So you just look at each condition. So -2. So -2 is less than 1 because that's our x. That's true. So we use this top piece here, 3x plus 2. So we just replace the x with -2. So 3 times -2 plus 2. So that's -6 plus 2. So that's -4. That's the answer. Let's try f of 4, just making these numbers up. So again, we look at our pieces. X equals 1, x less than 1, and x greater than or equal to 1. So which one is true? Well, it looks like the bottom one is true because 4 is greater than or equal to 1. So we use the second piece this time. So we replace all of the x's with 4's, so 4 squared, so we get 16. What if we had f of 1? Well, in this case, we would, again, use the second piece because 1 is equal to 1, so it's greater than or equal to 1. So we would just get 1 squared, which is 1. One more, just for fun. What if we had f of 0? If we had f of 0, we would just use the top piece, right? Because 0 is less than 1. So we would get 3 times 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2, so we get 2. So again, whenever you have a piecewise function, you just have to look at your x and decide which piece is true, and then just use the appropriate piece. Hope that made sense.